Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Now let's tap on Date and Time. It should be on the third position, and as you can see here we've got some options which are connected to the date and time, but currently those options are inactive, which simply means that we cannot manually change them. It is because we are using the network provided time and time zone. So first of all we have to turn them off, and now let's pick on date, and you will be able to easily change it. Just tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, pick the time you'd like to use, tap on OK again, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar. So let's pick another time zone, just tap on it and tap on the region, and as you can see we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So basically just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick randomly this one. As you can see, it has been applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. So here we've got also the time format option, so we can use local default, or we can, let's say, manually decide which format we want to use. So currently it is set for 12-hour format. If you'd like to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. So basically this is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on both of those switchers here to use network provided time and the time zone. So basically that's all. This is how to change date and time in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.